Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is JM Kaondo, and today I'm taking you to Korogocho market. So we're gonna be touring Korogocho market and see how it looks like, see whether maybe you can be able to buy something from here. Yeah, there is so much that is being sold in this market, from fresh produce to even mitumba clothes. So let's see whether we can be able to get some mitumba t-shirts and everything that is being sold here. Let's see what we're gonna be able to get. But first of all, we're gonna be touring this section where they're selling food items. You know, food is everything. First of all, I have to make sure our tummies are full. Yeah, so you can see, but I think I have come at the wrong time, because at this point very few items are being sold. The best time to visit this market is early in the morning. So if you want to buy some fresh produce, come early in the morning. Yeah, so this section is where they are selling clothes, and the border guys are really threatening. I have to make sure that I don't walk close to the road where they can be able to snatch my phone. So you can see the prices. They are even indicating the prices for the items that are being sold. So you can see that is 20 shillings clothes, tops, yeah, bananas, yeah, I can see tomatoes over there, some greens, people buying. Yeah, so we're in Korogocho for the first time. I'm in this market. Korogocho is one of the neighborhoods in Nairobi, and it's considered as one of the dangerous places to visit. But of course we are here, so of course it doesn't sound that. But although someone told me, I'm gonna take that camera and keep it for you. Although it sounded like he was joking, but he was kind of serious. So, well, let's see what is gonna happen. Okay, so this way we are heading to, what do you call that? The preacher over here. So, yes. Hawawezi kupata huzuni mingi. Hapo walikuwa wanatuma watu wakose amani. Bwana tuonekanie sana. Anaelewa anaelewa. Anajioni ya leo. Akoleta kwa katika barabara. Alright, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell a friend to tell a friend that JM Kaondo is on journey to success. Yeah, please, if you can be able to share my videos, I would really appreciate. You can see some onions, tomatoes, they are being sold on the road. Yeah, so this is how the people of this area are aggressive when it comes to business. Yeah, you can see they are being sold everywhere and people buy. Yeah, we can be able to buy these tomatoes over here and they are very much okay. Yeah, so don't think that just because they are laid on the ground that there is any problem. They're okay. It's, you know, some sufurias over there. Maybe it's about time we upgrade. So many things being sold over here. Maybe I can also look for a stand and start doing business from this location. What do you think? Should we start doing some mitumba business over here? All these people you're seeing around, they have come to do some shopping. Yeah, because this is the cheapest market you can be able to get around. This market is located near Kariobangi, Mathare. So for the people around Mathare, Huruma, instead of going to Gikomba, they come to Korogocho. So even Kariobangi Sao, the people of Umoja, yeah, and even places like what do we call those places, Babadogo. This is the nearest place you can be able to come and buy some clothes and fresh produce. You can see how all these bags, so many things. So let's cruise softly as you watch and tell me what you think about this market. Some first time on touring this market, yeah, as a tour blogger. What do you think about this market? Is there a place you can be able to visit and do your shopping? Buy some children clothes. You can see those children clothes over there. And the transport system is this mikokoteni. This thing you're seeing here can be able to ferry very big bales of clothes and even crates of tomatoes. So we have come towards the end of, because beyond this place we are going to, what do you call this place, the main road. That is, you see these vehicles over there. Yeah, so those are vehicles that are heading to Dandora. Yeah, so from Korogocho you go to Dandora. I hope I can be able to show you the Dandora dam site before the end of this video, because it's very near. I have ever done a video from Dandora dam site. Yeah, so we are not very far from the dam site, the biggest dam site in Nairobi, Kenya. So let's continue touring this place and explore more and see how it looks like. Okay, look at this place. It's so dark, I can't be able to film over here. So let me just exit.
this life will carry on. I'll stay until you leave me drowning. I've slayed a couple demons in my day. You don't know I can't be slayed, oh no. Beautiful lies, dragging me under the table. Hell in her eyes, she wants to put me in a hole. Beautiful liar, holding me, I'm a neighbor. Leading me dry, she wants to devour my soul. Fuck.
Inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in
the road is now being made for them, which is good.
out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love that freezing fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body
Yeah, there seems to be something that I don't understand. That the opposite side where I'm focusing my camera, that is the Dandora dam site, and there is something that is burning. I don't know what is burning there. So, and below here, that is the river. So I'm just wondering, you can see there is fire and a lot of smoke that is coming from this mountain of garbage. So do we have a volcano evaporation from this dump site? Something seems to be happening there. Then there is some young man over here whom I suspect that good guys. So this is what is happening. So I'm just show you as we continue to what it is.